So I'm going to quickly walk you through how you can use the app Desmos to confirm that your answer is correct. Now I want to be really clear. If you use Desmos to confirm your answer, that is a-okay. That's a great tool to use. It is a tool though, and we do also want you to know how to do it by hand. Okay, so if you use it to check your answer, awesome, wonderful, but you do still need to have your work shown. If you just have the perpendicular bisectors in the answer, I'm going to know you use Desmos. If you come back and you're like, oh, I did it on scratch paper, that's wonderful. Show me the scratch paper. Okay, so to get credit, you do need to do it by hand, but this is a wonderful tool to check your work, especially because sometimes it's like, I don't know, that feels wrong. So I'm going to take my two equations, and I'm going to graph both of them in Desmos. So after I found my perpendicular bisectors, I can type in y equals negative 3x, and I dropped my negative 3x plus 5. And if I'm nervous that I didn't distribute right or something, I could even put it into point slope form and see, hey, did they overlap exactly? So y minus 2 equals negative 3 times x minus 1. And they sure do, so I'm good. Cool. And I'm going to put my second one in. Y equals negative 4x plus 2. And then I'm looking for, okay, where do those two meet? So I'm going to zoom in up here, and that point is where they meet, and it looks like they are meeting at that point, which is negative 1, 2, 3, 14. And sure enough, my point was negative 3, positive 14. Again, if I want to check another answer, I can clear out those. And maybe I'm questioning this one. So I'm going to put in y equals negative 1/3. To get out of my fraction, I'm going to tap over with the little arrows underneath functions. X plus 2/3. And I can pick either one of my other ones. I could put all three if I wanted. Y equals negative 2, x plus 9. And just for fun, because I love Desmos so much, I'm going to put that last crazy one in. But I'm going to type it without having distributed because I don't want to deal with all of those fractions. So I'm going to do y minus 3 equals 4/3, tap out of there, x minus 8. Close up that parentheses. And now I'm looking for where do those three lines meet. And it sure looks like they are meeting at 5, negative 1, which is exactly where they should meet based on my math.